You cannot heal your kidney and proteinuria if you eat these 20 foods. Are you struggling with kidney issues or proteinuria? Kidney issues can range from mild, manageable conditions to severe, life-threatening illnesses. They can affect the kidney's ability to filter waste from your blood, regulate electrolytes, and maintain fluid balance in your body. Symptoms can include swelling, fatigue, difficulty urinating, and high blood pressure, all of which can significantly impact your quality of life. Proteinuria, on the other hand, is a condition where there's an excess amount of protein in your urine. Normally, kidneys filter out waste but retain essential proteins in the blood. When the kidneys are damaged, they may let proteins like albumin leak into the urine, leading to proteinuria. This condition is often a sign of chronic kidney disease or other underlying health issues and can result in symptoms such as foamy urine, swelling in the hands, feet, or face, and an increased risk of cardiovascular problems. Are you doing everything you can to heal, but it feels like you're just not making progress? You might be sabotaging your efforts with the foods you're eating every day. In today's video, we're going to reveal the top 20 foods you should absolutely avoid if you want to heal your kidneys and stop proteinuria. Make sure to watch until the end because the number one food might be something you eat regularly without realizing the damage it's causing. Let's dive in. 20. Processed meats. Coming in at number 20 are processed meats. These include sausages, bacon, hot dogs, and deli meats. They're packed with preservatives, sodium, and unhealthy fats. The high sodium content can lead to increased blood pressure and fluid retention, both of which put a strain on your kidneys. Additionally, the preservatives and additives in processed meats can be harmful to your overall health, potentially leading to chronic inflammation, which can exacerbate kidney damage. For those looking to improve their kidney health, it's best to opt for lean, unprocessed meats or plant-based protein sources. 19. Canned soups. Number 19 on our list is canned soups. While they may seem like a convenient and quick meal option, they are often loaded with sodium and artificial additives. A single serving of canned soup can contain as much as 800 to 1,000 mg of sodium, which is nearly half of the recommended daily intake. This high sodium content can cause water retention and increase blood pressure, putting extra stress on the kidneys. Additionally, many canned soups contain preservatives and flavor enhancers like MSG, which can contribute to kidney strain and overall health issues. For a healthier alternative, try making homemade soups with fresh ingredients and minimal salt. 18. Soda and soft drinks. At number 18, we have soda and other soft drinks. These beverages are not only high in sugar, but also contain phosphates, artificial colors, and preservatives. The high sugar content can lead to obesity and diabetes, both of which are major risk factors for kidney disease. Phosphates, often added to enhance flavor and preserve shelf life, can contribute to kidney damage by causing imbalances in phosphorus levels, leading to mineral deposits in the kidneys. Additionally, the acidic nature of sodas can alter the pH balance in your body, further stressing your kidneys. It's best to replace sodas with healthier options like water, herbal teas, or natural fruit juices. 17. Instant noodles. Number 17 is instant noodles. They are a popular and quick meal choice, especially for those on a tight schedule. However, instant noodles are packed with unhealthy fats, preservatives, and an alarmingly high amount of sodium. A single serving of instant noodles can contain up to 700 mg of sodium, which can lead to significant water retention and increased blood pressure, straining your kidneys. Moreover, the preservatives used in instant noodles can have long-term negative effects on your health, including potential damage to your kidneys. For a healthier alternative, consider whole grain noodles or homemade noodle dishes with fresh vegetables and lean proteins. 16. Fast food. Number 16 is fast food. Whether it's burgers, fries, fried chicken, or other quick service items, fast food is typically high in unhealthy fats, sodium, and preservatives. These foods are often cooked in unhealthy oils, leading to high levels of trans fats and saturated fats, which can raise cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. For those with kidney issues, the excessive sodium content in fast food can lead to fluid retention and elevated blood pressure, both of which can worsen kidney function. Moreover, the preservatives and artificial ingredients in fast food can add further stress to your kidneys, making it harder for them to filter out toxins effectively. 15. Frozen meals. At number 15, we have frozen meals. These prepackaged meals are often marketed as convenient solutions for busy lifestyles, but they come at a cost to your health. Most frozen meals are high in sodium and preservatives to enhance flavor and extend shelf life. The sodium content in these meals can be alarmingly high, sometimes exceeding the daily recommended intake in a single serving. This can lead to increased blood pressure and fluid retention, putting additional strain on your kidneys. Additionally, frozen meals often contain unhealthy fats and artificial ingredients that can contribute to inflammation and other health issues. Opting for fresh, homemade meals with whole ingredients is a much better choice for kidney health. 14. Pickles and fermented foods. Number 14 is pickles and fermented foods. While they can be beneficial for gut health due to their probiotic content, the high salt content in pickled foods can be harmful to those with kidney issues. Pickles, sauerkraut, and other fermented vegetables are often preserved in brine, which is essentially a solution of water and salt. Consuming too much salt can lead to elevated blood pressure and fluid retention, both of which can strain your kidneys. For those with kidney disease or proteinuria, it's important to monitor salt intake closely and limit foods that are high in sodium, including pickles and other fermented items. 13. Cheese. Number 13 is cheese. Although cheese is a good source of calcium and protein, many types of cheese are high in salt and saturated fats. The high sodium content in cheese can contribute to elevated blood pressure and fluid retention, which are detrimental to kidney health. Furthermore, the saturated fats in cheese can lead to increased cholesterol levels, posing a risk to cardiovascular health, which is closely linked to kidney health. While cheese can be enjoyed in moderation, it's important for those with kidney issues to choose low-sodium options and to be mindful of portion sizes to avoid exacerbating their condition. 12. Tomato sauce. At number 12, we have tomato sauce. Store-bought tomato sauces can be surprisingly high in sodium and sugar, making them less than ideal choices for those with kidney problems. A typical serving of tomato sauce can contain up to 500 mg of sodium, which can quickly add up if you're not careful. This high sodium content can lead to increased blood pressure and fluid retention, putting additional strain on your kidneys. Additionally, many commercial tomato sauces contain added sugars and preservatives, which can contribute to inflammation and overall poor health. For a healthier alternative, consider making your own tomato sauce at home using fresh tomatoes, herbs, and spices with little to no added salt. 11. Butter and margarine. Number 11 is butter and margarine. These common kitchen staples are high in unhealthy fats that can contribute to cholesterol buildup and heart disease, both of which are linked to kidney health. Butter contains saturated fats, which can raise your LDL cholesterol levels and increase your risk of cardiovascular issues. Margarine, especially the hard stick varieties, often contains trans fats, which are even more harmful to your heart and kidneys. High cholesterol and poor heart health can put extra strain on your kidneys, making it harder for them to function properly. To support kidney health, try using healthier alternatives like olive oil or avocado oil in moderation. 10. Processed cheese products. Number 10 is processed cheese products. These are different from natural cheese and often contain added salts, fats, and preservatives that can be harmful to kidney health. Processed cheese products like cheese slices and cheese spreads are made with a combination of cheese and other ingredients to extend shelf life and enhance flavor. The result is a product that is high in sodium and unhealthy fats, both of which can negatively impact your kidneys. The additives and preservatives in processed cheese can also contribute to inflammation and overall health issues. Opt for natural, low-sodium cheese varieties and enjoy them in moderation to better support your kidney health. 9. Artificial sweeteners. Number 9 is artificial sweeteners. While they may seem like a good alternative to sugar, some studies suggest they can negatively impact kidney function over time. Artificial sweeteners, such as aspartame, sucralose, and saccharin, are used in many diet and sugar-free products to provide sweetness without the calories. However, there is growing concern that these sweeteners can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria and increase the risk of metabolic disorders, which can indirectly affect kidney health. Some research has also indicated that long-term consumption of artificial sweeteners may be linked to an increased risk of kidney disease. To support your kidneys, consider using natural sweeteners like stevia or consuming sweets in moderation. 8. Chips and snack foods. Number 8 is chips and snack foods. These are typically high in salt, preservatives, and unhealthy fats, making them a poor choice for anyone looking to support kidney health. Potato chips, pretzels, and other snack foods are often loaded with sodium to enhance flavor and increase shelf life. Consuming too much sodium can lead to high blood pressure and fluid retention, which puts extra strain on your kidneys. Additionally, the unhealthy trans fats and saturated fats found in these snacks can contribute to weight gain and cardiovascular issues, both of which can negatively affect kidney function. For a healthier alternative, try snacking on fresh fruits, vegetables, or unsalted nuts, which provide essential nutrients without the added sodium and unhealthy fats. 7. Caffeine. Number 7 is caffeine. While moderate consumption of caffeine from sources like coffee and tea is generally considered safe, excessive intake can lead to dehydration and put extra strain on the kidneys. Caffeine acts as a diuretic, increasing urine production and potentially leading to dehydration if not balanced with adequate water intake. Dehydration can reduce blood flow to the kidneys, impairing their ability to filter waste effectively. Additionally, high caffeine intake can raise blood pressure, further stressing the kidneys. It's important to monitor your caffeine consumption and ensure you stay well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. For those with kidney issues, it may be beneficial to limit caffeine intake and opt for herbal teas or decaffeinated options. 6. Red meat. At number 6, we have red meat. High in protein and fat, red meat can be tough on your kidneys, especially if consumed in large amounts. While protein is essential for overall health, excessive intake can overwork the kidneys as they filter out the waste products of protein metabolism. Additionally, the high levels of saturated fats in red meat can contribute to cardiovascular problems, which are closely linked to kidney health. For those with kidney issues, it's important to balance protein intake and choose leaner sources of protein, such as poultry, fish, or plant-based options. 5. Bananas. Number 5 is bananas. They are high in potassium, which is normally healthy, but for those with kidney problems, too much potassium can be harmful. Potassium is an essential mineral that helps regulate heart and muscle function, but impaired kidneys may struggle to maintain proper potassium levels in the blood. Elevated potassium levels, or hyperkalemia, can lead to dangerous heart rhythms and other health complications. While bananas are nutritious and a great source of energy, it's important for those with kidney issues to monitor their potassium intake and opt for fruits that are lower in potassium, such as apples, strawberries, or blueberries. 4. Orange juice. Number 4 is orange juice. A cup of orange juice can have even more potassium than a banana. For individuals with kidney issues, managing potassium intake is crucial because the kidneys may not be able to filter out excess potassium efficiently. High levels of potassium in the blood can lead to hyperkalemia, which can cause muscle weakness, irregular heartbeats, and in severe cases, heart failure. Instead of orange juice, try fruits and juices that are lower in potassium to get your vitamin C fix, such as apple or cranberry juice. 3. Dairy products. Number 3 is dairy products. Dairy can contribute to hyperphosphatemia, putting additional strain on the heart and kidneys. If you need to reduce your intake of dairy, consider using alternatives like almond milk or rice milk, which are typically lower in phosphorus and potassium. 2. Avocados. Number 2 is avocados. Although they are a great source of healthy fats, fiber, and various vitamins, avocados are very high in potassium. Just one avocado contains around 975 mg of potassium, which is more than double the amount in a medium banana. For those with kidney issues, it's important to manage potassium intake to prevent hyperkalemia and its associated risks. 1. Processed foods. Finally, number 1 is processed foods. These include a wide range of items like snacks, baked goods, and ready-to-eat meals that are typically high in sodium, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives. Processed foods often contain preservatives and flavor enhancers such as monosodium glutamate (MSG) and nitrates, which can be harmful to your kidneys. The high sodium content in these foods can lead to high blood pressure and fluid retention, both of which put additional strain on your kidneys. Moreover, the unhealthy trans fats and saturated fats in processed foods can contribute to inflammation and other health issues. Improving kidney health is not just about cutting out the bad stuff, but also incorporating more of the good, like fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you think might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe to Health Tips for more health tips, nutritional advice, and ways to improve your overall well-being. Your kidneys will thank you. Thanks for watching and take care of your kidneys.